What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a very special ride for all the classic car enthusiasts out there, a true icon from the 1980s. We're diving deep into the 1985 Buick Electra, and yes, it's in this stunning silver color. This car is a perfect mix of luxury, comfort, and classic American style. So, buckle up, because we're going on a full tour covering the exterior, interior, performance, and even its price today. Whether you're thinking about buying a vintage classic or just love automotive history, this one's for you. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior because the 1985 Buick Electra really makes a statement. This was an era where American luxury cars had presence, and the Electra definitely commands attention. From the front, the wide chrome grille with its iconic Buick emblem sits proudly, giving it that classy, dignified look. The rectangular headlamps and the sharp, angular hood lines reflect the design trends of the mid-80s, bold but elegant. Moving to the side profile, the long, flowing body is unmistakable. This car is big, really big, and it's meant to project comfort and authority. The silver paint really highlights the clean lines and chrome trims along the doors and windows. It has these classic whitewall-inspired tires that give it a vintage feel without being over the top. At the back, the Electra continues its luxurious charm. The large taillights stretch across the width, framed by a polished bumper, and the Buick logo sits right in the center. The rear design is understated but powerful. It's the kind of car you could drive past a crowd, and people immediately recognize it as a symbol of American automotive luxury. Even the small details are impressive. The side mirrors are body-colored with chrome accents, the door handles are chrome, and the overall build quality feels robust. This isn't a car that ages poorly, it holds its presence beautifully even decades later. Interior. Step inside, and you're immediately transported back in time. The 1985 Buick Electra is all about comfort and luxury. The first thing you notice is the spacious cabin. The front bench seats are massive, upholstered in soft, high-quality vinyl or optional leather, and the silver color exterior complements the interior's neutral tones perfectly. The dashboard is classic 80s luxury, simple, elegant, and functional. You've got analog gauges that are easy to read, a wide speedometer, and all the essential controls laid out logically. The wood grain accents along the dashboard and doors give it that upscale feel, and the plush carpeting completes the sense of premium comfort. One of the coolest things about the Electra is the rear seating area. There's plenty of legroom, almost like a mini lounge on wheels. Passengers can stretch out and enjoy the smooth ride, which we'll get into in a second. For a car from 1985, it's impressive how much thought went into passenger comfort. Features like power windows, power seats, and even climate control were considered luxury items back then, and the Electra offered them in spades. Storage is surprisingly good, too. The trunk is enormous, perfect for long road trips or carrying everything you need for a weekend getaway. And small touches, like soft-touch door panels, padded armrests, and a well-positioned center console, make it feel like a car that truly cares about its occupants. Performance. Now, let's talk about what powers this classic American luxury sedan. The 1985 Buick Electra came with a few engine options, but the most common one you'll find is the 3.8-liter V6. It produces around 125 horsepower, which might not sound like much today, but remember, this car is all about smooth cruising rather than high-speed thrills. The ride quality is remarkably smooth, thanks to the Electra's soft suspension and body-on-frame construction. It glides over bumps, absorbs road imperfections, and makes even long drives relaxing. The handling is typical of a large 80s sedan. It's not sporty, but it doesn't have to be. This is a car designed for comfort, not track days. Braking is solid with power-assisted front disc brakes and rear drums. Steering is light and effortless, perfect for city driving or highway cruising. Fuel economy. Well, it's definitely a classic American V6, so don't expect anything crazy. You're looking at roughly 16 to 18 miles per gallon. But for collectors and enthusiasts, that's part of the charm. Another interesting note is the transmission. Most Electras came with a 3-speed automatic, and its smooth shifting, making driving an effortless experience. Pair that with the quiet cabin, and you've got a car that turns every drive into a comfortable, almost regal experience. Prices. So, what about buying a 1985 Buick Electra today? Well, prices vary depending on condition, mileage, and originality. A well-maintained, fully functional Electra in excellent condition, like this silver beauty, can fetch anywhere from $8,000 to $20,000 in the collector market. Restoration models or ones with rare features might go even higher, especially for silver or other classic colors. Part availability is still reasonable because Buick made a lot of Electras, but like any vintage car, some parts can be tricky to source. The value of the Electra today isn't just in its performance, it's in the experience, the nostalgia, and the fact that it represents a slice of 1980s American automotive history. Owning an Electra isn't just about driving, it's about joining a community of classic car lovers, showing off at vintage car meets, and enjoying the craftsmanship and luxury of a bygone era. And the silver color really enhances its collector appeal, it's timeless and elegant, and it shows off the car's lines beautifully in any lighting. So, there you have it, the 1985 Buick Electra in silver. From its bold and luxurious exterior to its comfortable and spacious interior, smooth V6 performance, and reasonable collector value, it's a car that truly embodies the luxury and charm of 1980s American sedans. If you're a fan of classic cars or just want a vehicle that turns heads wherever you go, the Electra is worth a serious look. It's a car that lets you enjoy driving in style, without sacrificing comfort, and it has that undeniable vintage aura that makes it a standout in any car collection. If you liked this in-depth review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming classic car reviews. Also, comment below, would you take this 1985 Buick Electra for a Sunday cruise or leave it in the garage as a collector's gem? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.